how to reset any iPhone without losing any data. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how you can reset your iPhone or iPad without losing any data. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, to reset iPhone or iPad without losing any data, launch the settings application. In the settings application, click on general option. And from here, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset and then select reset all settings. If you are asked for your iPhone password, enter it. Now confirm that you want to reset all settings. After doing this, your iPhone will restart and all your settings will be reset, such as Wi-Fi, password, wallpaper and accessibility settings, but your data will remain intact. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.